सा क्वेश्चन पूछा है आपने. दिस इज गेटिंग वेरी पर्सनल. अरे ये चीजें इतना पब्लिकली बोलने की थोड़ी होती है. सॉरी, आई डोंट अप्रिशिएट इट एट ऑल.
Also, I saw your interview with Karan.
Yeah.
So just tell us about that. How was it?
Frozen food actually preserves the true nature of food and true nature of nutrients.
Okay.
Right? Because पूरे पालम बिहार में तो कंपनी को हर कोई जानता है आपको. अभी लेटेस्ट ट्रेंड क्या चल रहा है, कहीं पे 1 साल काम किया, छोड़ दिया, अगली जगह से ज़्यादा पेमेंट ले लिया just to get the
salary hikes.
Yeah, but that can work up to a certain level. Right? That cannot work for you forever.
Correct.
पहले 2 साल हमने बहुत जूते घिसे हैं.
You have 160 plus outlets.
Yeah, we have opened 150 and 10 more, even 15 more are in fit out as of now.
When you started the burger company, how much money you had in hand?
So,
कभी आपने सोचा शार्क टैंक इंडिया जाने का?
I really want to go there as a judge.
Wow. Hello everyone, I'm your host Vanya Goyal and welcome back to another exciting episode of Pitch and Hire's YouTube channel. Today, we are diving into a story that's all about dreaming big, daring to take risks and building success. Our guest today is Neelam Singh, the founder and CEO of The Burger Company. From working at a corporate desk to building one of India's fastest growing homegrown burger brand, Neelam's journey is a masterclass in courage, determination and vision. If you ever wondered what it takes to break free from the 9 to 5 and turn your ideas into a thriving business, this conversation is for you. So without wasting any time, let's jump right into this fun and insightful conversation with Neelam Singh. So guys, we finally have Neelam here. And we all know she's the founder of The Burger Company, and I'm sure your mouth should be dripping right now. The Burger Company, of course. So Neelam, यहीं से start करते हैं. The Burger Company. मेरा तो go to अभी right now McD है. So how would you make me shift to Burger Company?
McD से bored नहीं हो गए अभी आप?
Bored you actually. I am getting bored. So you tell me how is yours differentiated?
So basically, the burger company में जब आप आओगे ना, it's not only burgers. Yeah, burgers are our heroes, but we have a lot of variety.
Okay.
Because हमारी presence tier 2, tier 3 cities में ज़्यादा है, जहाँ पे लोगों को actually खाने का बहुत ज़्यादा शौक होता है, and they do go out very often. So we have something for everybody. अगर 4-5 लोगों का ग्रुप आता है, so अगर किसी को बर्गर नहीं खाना, पिज्जा खाना है, पिज्जा नहीं खाना, पास्ता खाना है, या फिर कुछ और खाना है, so we have a lot of variety in our menu. And even in burgers ना, हमारे burgers काफी देसी हैं.
Okay.
So we have like chicken 65 in our menu, Punjabi gabru, which is a pure Punjabi masale wala burger. Then we have makhni. We have lots of variety in our burgers. So you should definitely try them.
Definitely. So you have 160 plus outlets.
Yeah, we have opened 150 and 10 more, even 15 more are in fit out as of now.
I mean, this is a great journey, like within 6 years. 6 years, right?
Yes.
She has grown it so far and all alone?
I started alone. My husband joined us 3 years back.
Wow.
Yeah.
देखो ऐसा होता है कि मतलब usually females, like I joined my husband's company, but she made her husband join her company. So this is what we call true women entrepreneurship and women empowerment, right? कि आपने husband को मजबूर कर ही दिया कि आओ और मेरे साथ join करना ही पड़ेगा because I am earning lots of money and dollars.
Yeah, his support has really, and his expertise, which he has experienced in his previous companies, that has really added value.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. So how did you get this idea? Like, were you starting it at home? Like, आपको ये कैसे आया कि मुझे burger ही start करना है? Because you started from burger, right? These sites you started later.
Actually, लोगों को पता नहीं है, but हमने start कॉर्पोरेट केटरिंग से किया था.
ओके.
सो वी स्टार्टेड वेरी स्मॉल, जहाँ पे हमने एक कॉर्पोरेट से टाई अप किया था कि हम वहाँ पे अपना एक छोटा सा सेटअप लगाएंगे जिसमें हम बर्गर्स वगैरह और ये सारी चीज़ें रखते थे. एंड तो बहुत सारी मेहनत लगती थी. कोई इजीली कॉर्पोरेट में एंटर करने नहीं देता था अपने कैफेटेरियाज में, बिकॉज ऑलरेडी बहुत जमे जमाए वेंडर्स होते हैं. देन वी जस्ट रिक्वेस्टेड, वी नॉक्ड so many doors and we tried to enter, then entry मिली, then हमने वहाँ पे ट्रायल किया. वहाँ पे हमने कस्टमर्स के एक होता है ना जो एक पायलट होता है, वो हमने वहां से शुरू किया था, जहाँ पे हम लोगों को डिफरेंट फ्लेवर्स, इंडियनाइज्ड फ्लेवर्स खिलाना शुरू किया. सो वी गॉट गुड फीडबैक्स दैट गेव अस अ वैलिडेशन कि हाँ, वी कैन एक्चुअली थिंक ऑफ बिल्डिंग अ ब्रांड अराउंड इट. सो दैट्स हाउ वी स्टार्टेड. तो पहले 2 साल हमने बहुत जूते घिसे.
एक्चुअली 2 साल तो आपने मतलब इट्स अ वेरी लेस अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम, बट देन लोगों को 5 years तक भी जूते घिसने पड़ते हैं. बट देन कुडोज, आई थिंक आपने गिव अप नहीं किया, लेकिन इन 2 साल में कुछ लोग गिव अप कर देते हैं. सो वो आपकी जो टफ जर्नी थी उसके बारे में आवर व्यूअर्स वुड वांट टू नो मोर, बिकॉज इट विल डेफिनेटली मोटिवेट देम. बिकॉज ऐसा होता है कि आज के टाइम में everyone want to be an entrepreneur. ठीक है, हर आई थिंक 1 out of every 100 people would want to start their own business or something of their own. But then क्या होता है कि they start and then they give up too easily. So any tips for them, and then how they can make sure that yes, they would thrive for it, they would stand for it, and they would not back out.
सो सबसे पहले तो होता है कि आप कोई चीज शुरू क्यों करना चाहते हो. सो द वाई इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, कि आप इसलिए शुरू कर रहे हो क्योंकि आपके पीयर्स कर रहे हैं, आप इसलिए शुरू कर रहे हो कि आपके किसी फ्रेंड को फंडिंग मिल गई है. इट साउंड्स रियली कूल एंड इट साउंड्स वेरी इट्स अ फैड कि हाँ सब कर रहे हैं इसलिए मुझे करना है. या फिर मेरे कोई चाचा के लड़के ने कोई काम शुरू कर लिया है, घर वाले बोल रहे हैं कि देखो वो कितना अच्छा कर रहा है. सो यू नीड टू फाइंड योर रीजंस एंड राइट रीजंस व्हाई यू वांट टू स्टार्ट. If it's something that comes from within your own thought process, your own research that supports your decision, then it's great. But don't do it because others are doing it, because eventually you're gonna lose your interest or you're gonna give up. Right? So पहला तो होता है कि सही वजह से शुरू करो. फिर क्वेश्चन आता है कि कब शुरू करें. Right? So like I was also into a corporate job. So अच्छा खासा सैलरी मिल जाती है टाइम से, वीकेंड मिलते हैं where you go out, you don't have any tension.
कुछ टेंशन नहीं है कि
Yeah.
आज सैलरी आएगी.
होती है टेंशन, थोड़ी होती है, बट हाँ कि काम की टेंशन थोड़ी होती है, बट हाँ वीकेंड्स फ्री होते हैं. यू डू व्हाटएवर यू वांट टू डू एंड देन वीकडेज पे काम करो. सो कंफर्टेबल जब लाइफ हो जाती है ना कि हाँ एवरी मंथ यू आर गेटिंग सम मनी इन योर हैंड, देन इट बिकम्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट. इट्स लाइक अ ड्रग जो आपसे छूटता नहीं है इतना आसानी से. राइट? सो या कमिंग ऑन टू द सेकेंड पार्ट कि कब शुरू करें. मैं ये बहुत स्ट्रांगली मानती हूँ कि कोई भी सही काम करने के लिए कोई भी गलत वक्त नहीं होता. सो देर इज नो रॉन्ग टाइम टू स्टार्ट अ राइट थिंग. सो वेन एवर यू on any given day that you decide that you want to start something which you've been dreaming about, then I guess that becomes your right day. That becomes the perfect day. So yeah, शुरू तब करें जब आपको लगता है कि आप capable हैं शुरू करने के, in terms of whatever research is required to start your work. Because कोई भी काम आप करोगे just because of instinct के basis पे नहीं कर सकते, right? So you have to do your research कि भाई market है या नहीं है, what is going to be a target market, what are their expectations, what are the market trends around your product and your industry. You do all that kind of research. प्लान योर मार्केटिंग स्ट्रैटेजीज अहेड कि मेरे को इस तरह से लोगों से कम्युनिकेट करना होगा, या मेरे प्रोडक्ट के अराउंड रिसर्च करिए, रिसर्च अबाउट व्हाट काइंड, हु विल बी प्रोवाइडिंग यू द रॉ मटेरियल्स, टाई अप विद द वेंडर्स एंड ऑल दीस थिंग्स. सो डू ऑल दैट काइंड ऑफ वर्क पहले, एंड देन प्लान योर फंड्स, बिकॉज दैट इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बनिया. राइट? सो आपके पास इनिशियल कैपिटल तो चलो तब भी आप अरेंज कर लोगे, लोगों से मांगे, खुद की सेविंग से. बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू वर्किंग कैपिटल, दैट इज समवेयर इट रियली holds you back when you don't have a good working capital in your hands. So plan everything ahead. अपने next depending on what kind of product or business you're getting into, next 6 महीने का अपने पास funds होने चाहिए to help you survive. And then once you have all that, you leave everything whatever you're doing and then just jump into it.
So have you always been profitable since the start?
So जब हमने अपना पहला आउटलेट द बर्गर कंपनी का शुरू किया था पालम विहार गुड़गांव में, so हम सेकेंड मंथ से ऑपरेशनली प्रॉफिटेबल थे. एंड हमने 1.5 year आउटलेट रन किया था, देन कोविड आ गया था. तो टिल द टाइम वी रैन हम प्रॉफिटेबल थे, एंड इनफैक्ट वी बिकेम वन ऑफ द मोस्ट लव्ड कैफे इन आवर एरिया, बिकॉज हम बहुत छोटा सा कैफे था हमारा, 250 स्क्वायर फीट का, उसमें भी हमने जैसे जैसे करके सिटिंग वगैरह अरेंज करी थी, एंड सिंस आई यूज टू बी देयर, आई यूज टू इंटरेक्ट विद माई कस्टमर्स, एंड बहुत दोस्त बन गए थे बेसिकली सारे. सो पूरे पालम बिहार में द वर्क कंपनी को हर कोई जानता है आज भी. इवन आई राइट नाउ ऑल्सो आई गेट सम ऑफ दी मैसेजेस मेरे पुराने कस्टमर्स के कि मेरी किटी पार्टी है, मेरे लिए प्लीज ये ऑर्डर स्पेशल करवा देना, जैसे लास्ट टाइम कराया था. सो वी डू हैव दैट काइंड ऑफ कनेक्ट.
राइट. इससे मुझे याद आया, अभी few months back, I mean on our Insta scrolls, we all were seeing this Vada Pav girl video. So इतना फेमस हुआ था वो, एंड देन मुझे पता चला कि इतना बड़ा लाइन लग रहा था, एंड देन पीपल वंस दे वर टेस्टिंग इट दे वर सेइंग कि कुछ खास तो नहीं है यार. सो हैव यू ट्राइड इट? तो
Not really.
Okay, so have you seen the video?
I have seen the video.
Okay. So people talked about her hygiene as well. So how the burger company is maintaining the hygiene, because it is very important. So let's tell the viewers about that.
Yeah. So basically जितने भी gimmicks होते हैं ना, I think these are for short term, and इनका agenda कुछ अलग होता है.
Right.
I doubt if her aim was, or goal was to actually set up a vada pav business. I am not sure of that,
Right,
because
maybe.
जिस तरह का वो gimmick था, it was more of getting into the big boss and all these things whatsoever. So we don't believe in short term hacks. We really believe that अगर हमें लंबे टाइम तक चलना है, and we want to stay in the market and survive and serve our customers, then जो basics होते हैं we need to take care of them. तो basics जब हम खाने की बात करते हैं तो basics are your taste of food,
Right.
and your hygiene and your ambience. So these three things really set the mood and make your experience either memorable or worst. So we at the burger company we ensure कि हम kitchen hygiene को अच्छे से take care कर रहे हैं, especially when it comes to veg and non-veg. We ensure कि दोनों अलग-अलग prepare हो रहा है, because I am a vegetarian.
Right.
So
और ये हमने देखा है कि hotels में ऐसा होता ही है कि same karchi is getting used in both the things.
So we use separate fryers for both veg and non-veg.
Wow.
तो इवन जो असेंबली लाइन है वो भी अलग है.
Okay.
तो वेज वाला बर्गर अपनी टेबल पे बनता है, नॉन वेज वाला अपनी टेबल पे बनता है, सारे पैकेजिंग मार्क्ड होती है.
Really great.
जो हमारे नाइफ्स होते हैं वो भी मार्क्ड होते हैं. सो सिंस आई एम अ वेजिटेरियन, आई एम रियली पर्टिकुलर अबाउट ऑल दीज थिंग्स. सो वी preach also to our outlets, to our franchisee partners, and at that time of training also, we train our staff to be very sensitive about this thing. So because customer हमारे पे एक trust रख के आया है, and we need to take care of that.
And if they lose the trust, then they'll not come back again.
Exactly. And when it comes to food taste,
Right.
so हमारे काफी सारी चीजें हैं that we customize as per our in-house recipe. तो हमारे लिए ही वो चीज
So
बन
these
रही है.
recipes are yours.
Yes.
So there must be a secret ingredient.
Yeah. So it's been so many years of hit and trial that कुछ करके हमने वो एक tasty एक
So how do you introduce a new recipe? जैसे आज आपने बोले कि अब मैं ये अपने मेन्यू में ऐड करने वाली हूँ. So what is the process that you follow to introduce something?
Okay. So सबसे पहले जब भी हम कोई नई चीज इंट्रोड्यूस करते हैं तो हम देखते हैं कि मार्केट में ट्रेंड क्या हो रहा है.
Yeah.
नॉट शॉर्ट टर्म, बट हाँ ऐसा ट्रेंड जो हमारे क्विजीन के साथ जाए. लाइक आई कैन नॉट रियली एक्सपेरिमेंट विद अ डोसा, राइट, और अ नूडल, राइट. But whatever works and goes well with my product and my kind of product, so उसमें कुछ change करके, कुछ fusion करके, first we create a concept on paper, कि basis research and basis brainstorming sessions, and after that we also have a few chefs that consult us also if required.
Right.
तो हम सॉसेस हो गए, पैटी हो गए, कुछ कस्टमाइजेशन कराना है, कुछ मसाले ऐड कराना है. सो वी प्रिपेयर एटलीस्ट 3-4 टाइप्स ऑफ वेराइटी इन दैट अराउंड दैट कॉन्सेप्ट. फिर उनकी हम इंटरनल टेस्टिंग करते हैं. पहले हम खुद करते हैं, खुद हम गिनी पिग बनते हैं, खुद खाते हैं, एंड फिर उसके बाद हम अपने एम्प्लॉयज को खिलाते हैं, बिकॉज देयर आर इंटरनल कस्टमर्स. देन जो शॉर्टलिस्ट होते हैं प्रोडक्ट, उनको हम अपने किसी एक आउटलेट पे जाके ट्रायल करवाते हैं कस्टमर्स को. सो फिर कस्टमर्स का फीडबैक नोट करते हैं, एंड वंस जिस चीज को ज्यादा वोट मिलते हैं वो आगे प्रॉपर प्रोसेस में आ जाती है. Then we introduce it.
Okay, nice. So there's this concept of frozen foods as well. So what is your take on this? I mean, are you also providing frozen food or something of that sort?
See, frozen food ना बहुत पहले टाइम तक थोड़ा सा इसको सॉर्ट ऑफ नॉट हेल्दी माना जाता था. बट अभी रिसेंट काफी स्टडीज हुई हैं जहाँ पे ये शो किया गया है दैट फ्रोजन फूड एक्चुअली प्रिजर्व्स द ट्रू नेचर ऑफ फूड एंड ट्रू नेचर ऑफ न्यूट्रिएंट्स.
Okay.
राइट, बिकॉज अगर वो फ्रेश फ्रोजन है, मतलब फ्रेश बना और तभी के तभी उसको ब्लास्ट फ्रीज कर दिया गया, देन उसके सारे न्यूट्रिएंट्स इंटैक्ट रहते हैं.
Okay.
और खाना तब खराब होता है जब उसको टेम्परेचर अब्यूज होता है, कि टेम्परेचर बढ़ गया फिर एकदम कम कर दिया फिर बढ़ा दिया, तो उसके बैक्टीरिया जो होते हैं दे इंक्रीज एंड दे डेवलप इनसाइड द प्रोडक्ट एंड दैट्स हाउ इट गोज स्टेल. सो अगर आपने फ्रीज ही कर दिया है देन यू आर नॉट गिविंग दैट एनवायरमेंट टू ऑल दीज बैक्टीरियाज टू ग्रो. सो पहली बात तो अराउंड फ्रोजन फूड जो एक मिथ है वो आई जस्ट वांटेड टू ब्रेक इट. एंड when it comes to the burger company, we use a mix of ingredients. There are some frozen stuff, there is some fresh, like जो हमारा crunchos है, which is our take on fried chicken burger. So जो chicken हम use करते हैं, it is we purchase it raw, we marinate it overnight, and then we use it the next day. So it's a mix of all the things. Yeah.
So how big is your team now, and how do you choose your team members?
So किसी भी business के लिए I think team is something which is
Very important.
Very important. It is the backbone of any business whatsoever.
Right.
And we try to choose our team members very carefully. Although you cannot really judge a person in a very short span of interview time, but we do try to. जो major चीज हम देखते हैं that is कि the person who is coming for the interview, his goals are aligned and his visions are aligned with our vision or not.
Right.
So if a person sees himself or herself as somebody who can take challenges at work, who is ready to take the pressure, not that we put on unnecessary pressure, but when you're working in a startup, there are n number of different challenges that come up. So you need to take that, you need to know how to remain calm under that pressure, and you need to know that how to respond to that pressure.
Correct.
So a person who is ready to take challenges, ready to take pressure, ready to listen and ready to put trust in their mentors, and bring something extra to the table in terms of his dedication and hard work. So that is something we really look for, and somebody who wants to grow.
Right.
So अभी latest trend क्या चल रहा है, कहीं पे एक साल काम किया छोड़ दिया, अगली जगह से ज्यादा पेमेंट ले लिया. And every year you're changing your jobs just to get the increment.
The salary hikes.
Yeah, but that can work up to a certain level. Right, that cannot work for you forever.
Correct.
So हम पुराने टाइम में देखते थे, not even पुराने टाइम, like जो हमारे सीनियर्स होते थे, तो they used to work in a company for 10 years, right? Although that is something really big ask, that is not really relevant now. But sticking to an organization till the time your goal and organization's goals are aligned, and you are getting something out of it from your current role, along with the salary, like in spite of salary you're getting something extra,
right?
Like you're getting to improve your skills,
right?
You're learning something from your job, right? Then I think till the time it is happening you should stick to the job.
Correct.
And once you feel that now you have learned enough and there's nothing, you are not really growing as a person in particular role, I think that is the right time to switch.
Wow, great. This was really great. I mean, thank you, Neela, for giving this insight. And this is not only for this kind of business, and this would work in any sort of business, in any sort of industry you are. You need to be very careful, and it will reflect in your resume. If you would be switching too early and there would be job hoppings, then I think for me it's a big no-no if I see a lot of job hoppings in every 6 months. So I'm sorry, I always reject those people before I interview, because if you cannot give a certain amount of time, because I think 3 to 6 months it takes to build the trust in the company, right? Because I will have to check what kind of person you are, right? And what are your abilities, where can I put your efforts, and where can we channelize your energy. And by that time if you will be switching, then it would be very difficult for the organization to give you the that kind of growth, right?
एक महीना तो हनीमून पीरियड होता है, उसमें तो
Right.
यू आर जस्ट सेटलिंग डाउन.
Correct.
सो 3 से 4 महीने लगते हैं टू एक्चुअली ट्रेन द पर्सन,
Right.
यू नो, सो दैट ही इज हैंडलिंग द जॉब परफेक्टली. एंड आई थिंक 1 year is something which is the bare minimum anybody can ask
Right.
for.
So, what do you prefer most of the time, fresher or an experienced person?
Some of the freshers that I've recently interviewed, like last week itself, they really surprised me.
Right.
Because when we talk about confidence, the kind of confidence
That they
these
are
people
bringing,
have,
really,
that is unbelievable. So very recently I interviewed fresh MBAs who are in their final year, and they are going for campus placements were happening. So we participated in one of the campus placement drives, and amazing, confidence, willingness to learn, and confidence in themselves that they can actually perform in any kind of job. We were interviewing for sales, and this girl was so strong minded, and she was like, yeah, I can do 100 calls a day, 150 calls a day. And they have done internships. Internships is something I think that can really help a person
Right.
to understand what kind of field they would like to pursue.
Correct.
So internships हमेशा हर किसी को करनी चाहिए. This I really endorse, that even you have completed your education, it's okay if you're doing maybe a 6 months internship or a year of internship, right? If you can afford that.
Right.
So I think, and these days internships also pay decent amount.
Correct. And these days I am seeing a lot of women who are restarting their career after a long career break. They are willing to start their career as an internship, and then they are okay with it because they just want to enter the market. They say, okay, if the internship is coming with a job offer, I am okay. I am ready to prove myself. So I mean, this is the kind of energy we need in the people, right?
Yeah.
कभी आपने सोचा शार्क टैंक इंडिया जाने का?
So I really want to go there as a judge.
Wow.
But it will take a lot of time. But yeah, I think it's a
Hopefully
great.
soon.
Yeah, hopefully soon. But yeah, वहाँ तक जाने में थोड़ा time लग जाएगा. I know that. So I'm not delusional that way. But yeah, it's a great platform to market and advertise your whole brand, and to actually interact with people who have proved themselves with the kind of business that they have generated.
Right.
So I think it's a great platform, and I would like to participate also. Like as soon as we make up our minds that this is the right time where we
You are
have.
completely bootstrapped till now.
We are completely bootstrapped till
Wow.
now.
I mean, claps for that. I mean, surviving this particular industry for 6 years, being profitable. I mean, kudos to all
Thank
you
you so
and your family, because I think family support is very important to achieve anything. Okay, moving forward, just Neelam, tell us about any experience of yours that you would want to share, an inspirational story, because you must have been meeting a lot of people. Also, I saw your interview with Curly Tails.
Yeah.
So just tell us about that. How was it?
So that was great. Kamya is an amazing person. She made me so comfortable because it was my first time facing camera. So I was really nervous. So she has recently started Imli and Shifoku as her food venture,
Wow.
restaurant venture. So I got to know about her story also, and it's great to meet female entrepreneurs.
Right.
She told me how she used to work in the similar space where she used to do interviews, and how she started her own channel, and her husband is also supporting, which was a common thing between us, and it was great to know. And we talked about my journey as an entrepreneur and as a woman entrepreneur, and we had a great time discussing.
And you were awarded by Malaika Arora as well.
Yeah, that was Times Food Awards. Yeah.
So, see, you have been achieving year by year, and I think in no time you will be judging, and we'll be seeing you in Shark Tank India.
छोटा plan करते हैं. Let's aim to be a contestant first, and then later on, yeah.
Okay, so I think in Shark Tank India, do you follow it first of all?
Yeah, I do. अभी recently थोड़ा कम देखा है, but हाँ, I used to watch जब Shark Tank India था भी नहीं, तो Shark Tank US वाला मैंने बहुत देखा, Mark Cuban and Barbara, and ये बहुत देखा है.
So in Shark Tank India, I think 80% of the companies are coming for the advertising, right?
हाँ.
ओके सो ये बहुत ज्यादा नोशन चला है मार्केट में कि दिस इज ऑल फेक और वो लोग फंडिंग देते नहीं है, ये सब चल रहा है. तो आई थिंक ऑल इन ऑल उनको एडवर्टाइजिंग तो मिल ही रहा है ना. सो व्हाट इज योर टेक ऑन दैट?
एक्चुअली अभी ना एक रीसेंट एक रील आई भी थी जहाँ पे आई थिंक शार्क्स ने इस चीज को एड्रेस किया था कि फंडिंग के लिए बोल देते हैं फिर देते नहीं है. सो सी आई थिंक सम ऑफ द कंपनीज आर ओनली कमिंग फॉर द सेक ऑफ एडवर्टाइजिंग विच इज ऑल्सो ओके. एंड जहाँ तक ये है कि दे ऑफर एंड दे डोंट रियली कन्वर्ट द डील इनटू रियलिटी, एग्जीक्यूट नहीं होती है. I think there are a lot of things that goes in the background. कि when people come, they claim certain numbers. Correct. That I'm doing this kind of business. They claim n number of things. But जब due diligence होता है, then actual picture सामने आती है कि उनका उतना revenue है भी या नहीं. Right. They do have those assets or not. क्या उनके पास कोई patent है या नहीं. So there are a lot of due diligence audits that happen, and then what they are claiming and what actually is, there's a match. I think there's no reason that the deal won't come through.
Right. So guys, ऐसा नहीं है कि आज आपने शार्क टैंक में देखा तो आप उनको बिलीव करो. There is this notion that people are spreading कि हमें फंडिंग नहीं मिला, उन्होंने हमें क्लेम किया था कि they'll give us the funding. So whatever numbers you are telling them over screen, they should match. Yes. थोड़ा बहुत ऊपर नीचे चलता है, but if there would be a huge difference in the same, then definitely they would back out and the funding would not be approved, because whenever I think वो लोग एक पेपर भी साइन कराते हैं agreement, and then उसमें mentioned होता है
and they're very smart people. तुम उनको outsmart नहीं कर सकते.
Correct. They have built something, right?
Yeah.
So Neelam, I recently saw your LinkedIn post about, you talked about something about affordable and cheap.
Yeah, that was my recent post.
Right. Yeah. So what is the difference?
So when we talk like spoken English में या हिंदी में जब भी हम बात कर रहे हैं तो कई सारे वर्ड्स हम इंटरचेंज कर देते हैं, हम यूज कर लेते हैं जिनका लिटरल मीनिंग बहुत डिफरेंट होता है. सो जो मैंने अभी पोस्ट किया था वो ये था कि जैसे देयर इज अ ह्यूज डिफरेंस बिटवीन अफोर्डेबल एंड चीप.
राइट.
सो चीप जब हम बोलते हैं तो वी डोंट हैव वेरी हाई एक्सपेक्टेशन कि भाई सस्ता है, जैसे चाइना का माल है, सस्ता मिल रहा है, चला चला, नहीं चला नहीं चला. राइट. So when we say cheap, it means कि सस्ता भी है and we don't have higher expectation in terms of the quality of the product. And when we say affordable, that means कि the product is of decent quality. We have little expectations on quality part, but at the same time, I will be able to purchase it. It will not really burn a hole in my pocket. So that is the difference.
So the burger company products are affordable.
They are affordable.
Cute. Okay, yeah. Nice. So you are a working mother as well. How do you manage yourself, your family, your work, everything? How do you prioritize your work, and how do you maintain the calendar of yours every day?
See, to be very honest, मैं ये accept करना चाहूँगी that every day I'm learning how to cope with it.
Right.
Because when you're leaving your child for your work, there's a guilt.
Right.
And when you're being with the child and leaving your work, then again there's a guilt.
Correct.
Because दोनों ही मेरे बच्चे हैं. Right? जो मेरा business है, that is also like my baby, because बिल्कुल scratch से उसको start किया है. Every day we are nurturing it. Every day we see it grow. So every day, we want it to grow further, and same is the case with baby. कि every day, आपने उसको, you've given him birth, and then you want to, be successful. You nurture him every day. You give him so much love. So it is, I think, सबसे ज्यादा डिफिकल्ट होता है एक मदर के लिए, बिकॉज एक नेचुरल इंस्टिंक्ट होती है. ऑब्वियसली अभी आज के टाइम में सब बोलते हैं कि बोथ द पेरेंट्स दे हैव इक्वल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज एंड ऑल, बट
ऑल मिथ आई वुड से.
बट हाँ, मतलब these days men are also acknowledging the fact and they are trying to play their part. But एक ना biological, when you've given birth, so एक natural instinct होती है that you want to be around with your kid, and बच्चे का भी होता है, at least up to 5 to 7 years the kid want to be around his or her mother the most. So I think it is every day I try to create a balance. जितना हो पाता है. I think for all the working women I would say कि क्वांटिटी ऑफ टाइम से ज्यादा आप क्वालिटी ऑफ टाइम पे फोकस करें.
Right.
बच्चे के साथ चाहे आपको 2 घंटे मिल रहे हैं, बट उस 2 घंटे को इतना मेमोरेबल बना दो कि व्हेन ही इज स्पेंडिंग टाइम विदाउट यू, ही स्टिल has some peace in his mind and he is relishing those moments, and then he is कुछ ने आपने उसको कुछ सिखाया, तो मे बी आपसे जब वो दूर है तो वो उस चीज को प्रैक्टिस कर रहा है. सपोज आपने उसको एक पैटर्न बनाना सिखाया कि दिस इज कॉल्ड अ पैटर्न, राइट? रेड ब्लू रेड ब्लू रेड ब्लू इज अ पैटर्न. सो मे बी व्हेन ही इज अलोन ही विल सिंपली ड्रॉ, ही विल डू द प्रैक्टिस, राइट? सो छोटी छोटी चीजें, यू कैन टेल हिम स्टोरीज एंड यू कैन टेल हिम अबाउट इमेजिनेशन, कि आप इमेजिन करो, इमेजिन अ स्टोरी, इमेजिन एन एनिमल एंड टेल मी कि किस कलर का है, कैसा दिखता है. सो do things, share time with him with things that will boost his creativity, that will make him happy, and things that he can actually implement later on.
Right. So, what is your son's go-to food whenever he comes to the burger company?
So he like fries because he's very small. He's just 4 years old.
Okay.
So he really like the fries. And उसको पिज्जा भी बहुत पसंद है.
Okay. Nice.
But yeah, I do make sure कि उसको मैं ये चीज डेली ना दूं. Obviously these are something which is indulgent basis पे होना चाहिए. तो I do occasionally take him to the burger company.
So coming to that, there are I have seen a lot of moms. My daughter is also 4. So I've seen a lot of moms who are giving actually fries in the lunchbox every day. So I know you have.
नहीं, I also say यार, आप हर दिन बर्गर नहीं खा सकते, आप हर दिन फ्राइज नहीं खा सकते, राइट? These are मतलब you can go out to have maybe a good time with your friends. You can go with family once in a while, or you can just treat yourself for a cheat meal. So few times in a month is fine, but not every day.
It's not healthy.
Yeah.
Correct. Let's talk about marketing. How do you manage the marketing of burger company? You already have a team in place, right? So how do you make sure, how often do you meet the team? So some suggestions for the other ventures. How can they be in the game?
Okay. So marketing के लिए the one rule is that you need to know your target audience, कि who all are those people whom you are going to communicate with. So understand who your target audience is, understand what do they want, or understand what kind of platforms they are present.
Right.
So suppose अगर मेरे target audiences young adults हैं, बच्चे हैं, suppose 13 से लेके 35 तक अगर मेरी टारगेट ऑडियंस है, तो वो कहाँ पे प्रेजेंट है, मुझे कहाँ पे उन्हें रीच आउट करना है. आधे देर ऑन सोशल मीडिया, लाइक डिजिटल मीडियम पे हैं, या फिर मुझे दे आर ऑफलाइन मार्केटिंग उनको ज्यादा अप्रोच करती है.
ऑफलाइन मार्केटिंग और ऑनलाइन मार्केटिंग?
इट्स अ मिक्स बिकॉज द बर्गर कंपनी प्राइमरली Tier 2 एंड Tier 3 सिटीज में है. तो वहां पे अभी भी लोग अखबार पढ़ते हैं. वहां पे पैम्फलेट्स आप न्यूज़पेपर इंसर्शन कराओगे, दे विल रिसीव इट, दे विल रीड इट. They also read their WhatsApp messages and SMSs. So we also send out messages on WhatsApp marketing करते हैं. So and they are on Instagram as well, but not to an extent जितना metro cities में audiences ज़्यादा present है. So it's a mix of both. Instagram पे we do create content. If you go and see our page, The Burger Company India, you will see that we do create organic content, and there is UGC, user generated content as well. So we are present there. हम कुछ ads चलाते हैं. ज़्यादातर ads हमारे metro cities में होते हैं because वहाँ पे audiences type की है. Ads हमारे Tier 2 and Tier 3 में भी होते हैं, but जो हमारा अप्रोच है वो थोड़ा सा देसी भी है, बिकॉज अल्टीमेटली हम इंडिया का बर्गर ब्रांड है. एंड जितने भी हमारे स्मॉल सिटीज में हमारे ऑडियंसेस है, वी वांट टू speak the language that they speak. So we try to go as desi as possible with our marketing approach.
Wow. I mean, this was really good. So guys, I think आपको बहुत सारे tips and tricks मिली होंगी if you are an upcoming entrepreneur or you are already building a brand. Neelam has given so much good insights right now, and I think I'm going to jot it down for my business. So moving forward, I mean, in fact, we will have to close this conversation now because this will go on, and we will definitely call her again for the podcast if you'll share lots of love on this video. So just any closing notes that you would want to tell our viewers who are just entering the market and आज उन्होंने पापा से पैसे मांगे हैं, प्लीज मुझे 2 लाख दे दो, मुझे अपना न्यू वेंचर खोलना है, तो what tips you would give to them so that they have the runway for and they can build a profitable business?
So first of all, Vanya, thank you so much for inviting me here. It was great to interact with you and your audience through this podcast. And people who are about to start something new, पहली बात तो do it, okay? Because आप जितना जल्दी, like the only regret that I have is कि मैंने ये business पहले start क्यों नहीं किया. So first tip is कि please start it as early as possible. And second is कि have confidence in yourself, क्योंकि अगर आप अपने ऊपर आपको खुद को विश्वास नहीं होगा तो आप दूसरों को विश्वास नहीं दिला पाओगे कि आप कुछ करने का बलबूता रखते हो. So that is one thing from my end कि जब आपका कोई साथ नहीं देगा तो you have to be your own supporter, your own cheerleader and have confidence in yourself.
So very last question, when you started the burger company, how much money you had in hand?
So मेरे पास 4 लाख रुपए थे जो मेरी सेविंग्स थी मेरी जॉब से. मैंने कुछ 10 लाख अपने फादर से उधार लिए थे जो कि मैंने चुकाए हैं वापस.
Very nice.
So yeah, so I think that was the money I had, and my husband took a loan of 5 lakh rupees.
Okay. Wow.
Yeah.
So this is how. So you will have to make sure that you have enough funds if you're starting your own business today. और ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि बस आज ही मैंने पैसा उठाया और आज ही मैंने सब कुछ बर्न कर दिया. You will have to create a concrete plan कि अब मुझे कैसे step by step चलना है, and then you will have something in hand always कि ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि आज ही 2 महीने में सब कुछ खत्म, अब क्या करें. Then you will be in a very bad situation कि अब there would be a blackout.
It has to be very planned, and जो भी आप रिस्क ले रहे हो make sure कि वो एक कैलकुलेटिव रिस्क हो.
Correct.
कुछ भी impulsive तरीके से ना करें, and make sure that you are sitting down, drawing everything on paper, and have some buffer for some immediate some emergencies or something like that.
Very nice. So thank you, Neelam, for being here. And guys, do connect with her over LinkedIn and follow her burger company page over
Yes.
LinkedIn as well as on Instagram, because they are posting lots and lots of good content on Instagram as well. I saw the profile, and she's also available if you want any sort of guidance and a mentorship from her. If you want to discuss with her how to start your business, you can always connect with her over LinkedIn. Follow her, DM her, and she would definitely come back to you for all the genuine queries. I always say that if you're coming to me or to her, or just put down your query right away, and then we should be able to answer you as and when possible. Till then, keep sharing your love and keep subscribing to our channel. And then if you have anything, please do put it in the comment. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you.